Hello guys, welcome to the Vue.js project of audio splitter or audio editor for actually splitting and trimming your audio files directly in the browser. So we are running this Vue project on localhost 5173, and there are two options for splitting the audio. First option is using this web audio API, and the second one is FFmpeg WebAssembly. So this actually is the interface of the application, completely responsive, and you can either use any of these options. So let me use FFmpeg WebAssembly. So as soon as you do this, the interface of the application something looks like this. You actually select your audio file to actually trim and split. So right here you will select the audio file, and right here the audio will play. It will construct the actual waveform of the audio. So if I click the play button, let me turn on the audio. So if you want to purchase the source code of this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. So this is essentially the full directory structure of the project. So you will see each component is coded directly in the Vue files, and you can add more features, and also you can modify the source code once you get this. So these are set of commands here for running the project dev, the build commands as well for deploying the project, and we are using the latest version of Vue. FFmpeg WebAssembly library we are also using, and now this actually you can actually split by simply clicking on the actual timeline. So right here you play the
Today in this
button,
tutorial, I will be introducing to a new offline PDF editor which is built inside purely in Java.
then play, pause everything, and you can just adjust its position. You can press the mouse just wherever. So as soon as you change it, the duration starting and the ending duration will change. So another segment you want to do, simply click on that to add the split point, and you can long press it to adjust it. So it will create these little mini segments of the audio, and you can preview this as well by clicking the preview button. And then you simply click this button, generate and download all segments. So now FFmpeg will individually download all these segments. All the processing directly happens in the browser. It's a single page client side kind of an application, so there is no backend or server side. So you can click clear all to actually clear out all the segments.
Hello friends, today in this tutorial, I will be introducing to a new offline PDF.
So it's really simple. You will see that you can adjust this timeline. So this is the first way. So now if you want to use the web audio API method, this also is the, again you repeat the process. You select the audio file, and this time it will construct the waveform by using the web audio API. So you will see that now you can play this.
Hello friends, today in this tutorial, I will be introducing to a new offline PDF editor which is built inside purely in JavaScript using Svelte.
Again you do the same thing, just wherever you need to split, you click and long press. You can adjust the position of it as well. So now it will again click these, create these mini segments. Again you click the download button to download those segments. So now this time it's using the web audio API. The previous one was using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library to actually execute FFmpeg directly in the browser. This is actually using the web audio API for actually constructing this waveform that you see. This makes it easy for you to trim and split your long audio files. So essentially this is the application. You can easily purchase it. If you still face any issues, you can message me. I will definitely help you in running this project. And if you're looking forward for building a Vue editor in FFmpeg, this will be a great starting point. It will save you a lot of time, and you can later on can add more features on top of this project as well. So These are all the components which are pre-coded by me from scratch. So you can easily edit these features or edit the design as well. So you can, first of all, as you load the application, it actually loads this FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So as soon as you load the application, it actually loads this library. So once it loads this successfully, then the application start, and then you select your audio file, and in a matter of seconds you can actually split your and trim out the necessary portion of your audio. As you click generate, so all the segments will get downloaded, so you'll see that. So this application will save you a lot of time as well. So many a times you do need to split and trim your audio files. So this is really useful application. The interface is very much responsive. So it will definitely work on all devices as well. So the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase the source code of this project, and specifically Vue.js project as well. So it's a really popular framework. It's really fast as well. It doesn't take too much time. As you select the audio file, it instantly creates the waveform. The interface is quite simple. So
Hello friends, today in this tutorial
these are two methods which are used. First is FFmpeg WebAssembly and Web Audio API. So both the methods works perfectly, but so this is a great thing. I implemented both the methods, so that's why. So this is a project, guys. Definitely check it out.